this US-EU trade simulation, where they apply the course of international trade with public speaking, communication, negotiations, presentations in a real scenario, and do team building as well.
We split into two teams, so the US and the EU, and we negotiate on different issues and topics regarding international trade between the two.
That was an idea which was born 3 years ago. It worked very well. We had one full day session on this with several negotiation rounds. They had to defend the result in front of the camera later in a press conference, and it was very high graded.
I would clearly recommend to the future students to study BIR, and one of the reasons why I recommend to study BIR is the EU simulation and all other activities like this that this university suggests us, because we see ourselves in the real world.
It's a great experience, and you have to challenge yourself and have also this challenge with your peers.
I think it's simply wonderful that IE University does allow these type of things. I think it's so important that apart from, yes, teaching, and apart from learning and studying theories and also debating, that's fine in class, it's important maybe to try to simulate real-life situations.
A way to apply your knowledge practically. So I think it's very important for a student to join such simulations in order to see what it is like in real life and just get like a grasp on it.